Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore this probability problem where we are going to throw two fair dice and answer a few questions about these two fair dice, okay? Step 1. Well, since we are going to throw two fair dice, Mr. Tan here going to construct a possibility diagram here, and because we are going to throw two fair dice, there's a total of 36 possible outcomes where we're going to throw the first die 1 2 3 4 5 6, second die 1 2 3 4 5 6, and these are the 36 possible outcomes. Okay, how to read this? I'm going to just highlight to you. If this is going to be my first die, then the first number I've gotten after I throw that first die is 1. This is my second die. And the second number that I gotten from throwing the second die is 1. So for example again, this simply means that the first number I gotten is 3. The second number I gotten is 4. Okay, so on and so forth. So once I know this, I will then be able to go back to my questions and see what are they asking for. Part A, they would want to find the probability of getting two identical numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for part A, the probability of getting two identical numbers will be equal to 6 out of total 36. Do give the answer in its simplest form, 1/6. Two different numbers. Well, if there are 6 out of the 36 outcomes that have identical numbers, what do you think? How many possible outcomes do you think there is for two different numbers? Yes, and if I were to count them out, I would also get 30. So there's already 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So for part B, the probability of getting two different numbers is simply (30 out of 36). Again, do leave your answer to the simplest form, 5/6 in this case, 5/6. Part C, that one number is at least 1/6. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means the answer for part C. The probability of getting at least 1, 6, 11 out of total number of outcomes is 36, and this is the simplest form. A sum of 5 or less. So for this, right, probably in this particular case, I would then have to, probably at the side, you will see Mr. Tan doing this. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is 3. I'm going to just add out all the sum. So this one will be 6, 7. This one will be 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. Eventually, you will see Mr. Tan writing all the sums out. And you can see there's some pattern going on. This will be 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be 6, 7, 8, and 9. This one will be 7. This add up to 8, 9, 10. And once Mr. Tan finish with this, Mr. Tan can then see out of this 36, how many is a sum of less than 5 or less. I will have to choose this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 possible outcomes, out of which we will be able to get a sum of 5 or less. So it's 10 out of 36. Final answer, 5 over 18. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.